Everybody keeps asking me, am I really making these beats on an iPhone? Yes, fam. Let me show you. This is an iPhone XR. Can you really make beats on an iPhone XR? Yes. Yes, you can. Watch this. Alright, so we got the iPhone Lightning to headphone adapter, and we got the JBL Flip 4. The reason why I chose the JBL Flip 4 is because it's the last Flip that still has the headphone in jack. Yeah. So we're going to open up a new session. Alright, so now we got our new session going. Let's go ahead and find a kit. Even though ROLAND Zenbeats has like some really dope built-in default kits, let's go ahead and find a trap kit from our friends over there at iPadBeatmaking.com. You can find a link to that in the description as well. Let's take our BPM up to, let's say, 155. Alright, so we got a beat down and everything. So let's go ahead and go with BeatHawk. And BeatHawk actually has some really dope built-in sounds. So let's go ahead and go with BeatHawk. And the really dope thing about this is that you can lock in the key so that you don't have to worry about trying to play these small tiny keys on the iPhone. You can actually press play. You can pick your scale. You can pick your note and then pick your scale. Let's go with minor harmonic. It's E minor harmonic, and then when we pull up the piano, it doesn't show like all the keys. It just shows you all those keys in that scale. So let's do that. All right, let's try that. Alright, so let's go with another instrument. I'm going to go with the synth bass 808 from AudioKit. And then I'm going to go with one of my presets, which is let's go with Brick Kisser. Let's go a little bit lower on that octave. Yeah, man. Alright, again, so this is all on the iPhone. So you can get as intricate as you like, or as complicated as your processor will allow on your phone. I think we can add, let's say, one more joint. Let's try to add the PureSynth Platinum. Alright, let's try that. Let's go into our let's try that. Once again, that's all off the iPhone XR. If you have an iPhone 6 Plus, I believe you can still do this. You can still do all of this stuff on even the iPhone SE. So this has been ROLAND Zenbeats with a couple of additives. You got PureSynth Platinum, you got the Synth Bass 808 by AudioKit, you got BeatHawk, and you know, some built-in drums, as well as some dope drums from our friends over there at iPad Beatmaking at iPadBeatmaking.com. The link is in the description. So yes, you can make a beat on the iPhone XR. Let's go.